Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to my channel. I'm going to show you an easy method on how to do a singular French braid like the one I've got in my hair now, using this technique. Normally I find that people find it difficult to position their hand when they're doing something like this, especially when it's at the back of your head, you can't see. So this technique I hope will help you guys to combat that. So let's get to it.
So what you want to do is brush all of your hair towards the back of your head. This makes it easier for you to grab all your hair together, and start from the crown, so section off your hair and you want to separate these into 3 pieces. So keep the first piece in between your thumb and your index finger, the second piece goes in between your index finger and your middle finger, and the third piece keep it between your middle finger and the ring finger. So these are your 3 pieces. So what you want to do is, keeping the same technique with both hands, think of it as a ladder. You want to be only taking the second piece, so this is the middle strand. You want to place it in your left hand between your thumb and the index finger. So the top piece, which is the third strand, you want to place that in your left hand between your middle finger and your index finger. So this means that the bottom piece, the first strand, needs to come up into your middle finger and your ring finger. So carry this on in your right hand as well, with the same technique. So using your left hand to get a bit of hair and add it to the top strand, or the third piece, which is right at the very top, and use the same technique in your left hand. Take the hair over, grab the second piece and third piece with your left hand whilst your right hand brings up the bottom piece to the top, and add a chunk of hair to that. Make sure to hold your hair tightly, otherwise if the hairs get loose, it will be much harder to control. If it's your first time doing this, don't worry, your arms will get tired, but not only is it a workout, but you also get a very cute hairstyle, so hang in there. Keep on going, keep practicing. Once you get to the bottom of your head, tighten the plait, and you could either use the same technique to carry on all the way down to the end of your hair, or you could use your own way to do the 3 braid strand. Try your best to keep plaiting your hair until you can't go anymore. So when you've reached the limit, you can bring the plait to the side of your head and carry on making the plait until you get to the desired length of your hair, and you can put the hairband in.
Thank you for watching my video, guys. I hope you liked the technique. I hope it helps you. If you liked it, give me a thumbs up, or if you didn't like it, thumbs down. That's okay. Comments down below if there's anything I can help you with extra. And if you want more videos like this, click the little red button up there or there, I can't remember, I don't know. Stay fabulous, stay fresh. See you in the next one.